Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. So you want to make money on TikTok but you don't have a ton of followers yet? Don't worry, there are actually several ways to start earning right now. Step 1. Join the Creator Fund Alternative Programs. TikTok has different monetization options beyond the official Creator Fund. You can look into programs like Creativity Program Beta that don't require a massive follower count. These programs pay based on video views and engagement, so even with smaller numbers you can start generating revenue. Step 2. Leverage affiliate marketing in your bio. This is huge and honestly underrated. You can link products you actually use and recommend in your TikTok bio. When your viewers click through and buy, you earn a commission. The beauty here is you don't need followers to earn because you're getting paid per sale, not per follower. Step 3. Create branded content and sponsorships. Even with under 1,000 followers, brands will still work with you if your audience is engaged and niche. Reach out to companies in your space and pitch collaborations. They care about engagement rates and audience quality way more than follower count these days. Step 4. Sell digital products or services. This is where you really control your income. Create something like ebooks, templates, courses, or offer services like consulting or coaching. Promote these directly in your videos and bios. Your followers become customers, and you keep all the profits. Step 5. Use TikTok Shop and live gifting features. If you go live, viewers can send you gifts that convert to real money. You also have access to TikTok Shop where you can sell products directly. These features work regardless of follower count, and can be seriously profitable if you engage your audience.